Behind every flickering light, every open road, every safe community, you'll find people. People who keep our civilization running and who depend on having the right information at the right time. It's here for them. Skydio X10, it's here, with the best sensors ever in a drone this size. The first of its class with the FLIR Boson Plus, 640 by 512 radiometric thermal imaging with maximum sensitivity. A 1-inch 50-megapixel sensor with a custom wide-angle lens, or the 64-megapixel narrow-angle camera to capture the data you need, even during low-light inspections. Transition zoom can read a license plate from 800 feet and identify cars from 3 miles away. You've never seen like this before. It's here, and it's ready for anything. X10's durable, lightweight airframe goes from backpack to flying in under 40 seconds and thrives in the most challenging environments. It's tough, quiet, and resistant to electromagnetic interference. And the open modular platform is built to adapt, with sensor packages and attachments to get the job done. Capable of flight command from 7.5 miles away using the ultra-bright controller, with a multi-band option for operations in contested environments. An optional 5G gives X10 unlimited operating range anywhere there's a cell signal, unlocking remote command and control from any connected browser.
Drone is airborne. Copy, Marine Unit 1. We have assumed control of Skydio X10.
So personnel on the ground can be fully focused on the mission at hand.
Marine Unit 1, we have individuals stranded on the roof of a residence.
We will guide you in.
It's here. A new era of onboard AI and computer vision lights the way with NightSet, enabling autonomous flight in zero-light conditions. Obstacle avoidance can now do the work for you, even in the darkest environments. Turn complex jobs into completed jobs with the automated capture of critical data, while onboard modeling takes you from images to insights in minutes for immediate action. The best sensors ever in a drone this size, piloted by the most advanced AI in the sky, to get you the details you need, whenever you need them, wherever they are. Designed, assembled, and supported in the US, and trusted around the world. Capture every last detail, night or day, rain or shine, when it matters most. Skydio X10. It's here.